Hi everyone, I am at FAE training week from EBV Elektronik, and we have been invited to showcase some of the new things we did. The first novelty are the starter kits. We have put together a hardware platform through our partners that joins together an NXP IMX8M Plus, a Halo accelerator, and cameras, triggered cameras for monocular or stereo cam vision. The cool thing is that it comes together with a set of software that will allow the OEM that want to test these accelerated technologies bootstrap your trials and tests from video grabbing, pre-processing, acceleration, post-processing in minutes. You can try that in minutes. That's the goal of the starter kits. Be effective in minutes. And if you get the stereo cam kit, you can also try the 3D reconstruction through stereo camera. That is a software IP produced by Division that basically creates 3D data through stereo camera at full frame rate on Halo. If you want to know updated details anytime, go to our website, divisionsolutions.com. Bye.